Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today I bring for you very impressive gadget called smartwatch. It's a W26 plus smartwatch, and here you can see also written its specification. We will talk later about its specifications. It's a very impressive and beautiful gadget. I will show you. Let's open this box and check what is inside, and later on we will talk about its specification and features. I will also show you its function as well, so stay with video, you will definitely entertained. So let's open this watch. I am going to open this box. So what we found inside the box? Inside the box is one smartwatch which is looking very impressive. You can see it's looking same as Apple Watch, and one magnetic charging cable for charge this smartwatch. And we will check what is more inside. And inside more we found one manual. You can see this manual which is in Chinese and English language. And here also mention supported app for this smartwatch is M-Active. M-Active application is supported for this smartwatch for Android and iOS both platform as well. And one more thing, we also get screen protector for this smartwatch. So it's a good thing to protect your watch screen. You can apply this screen protector as well. And they give me as a gift one extra strap. This extra strap in black and white color. I will open and also show you this strap. So if you like black or white, so you can also take this one. I will give you this product link in description. You will check in description and you can buy through that link. I will give you both Amazon link as well and Aliexpress link as well. So guys, this is we found inside the box. One smartwatch, one magnetic cable, one extra strap, one manual, and one screen protector glass. Let's keep other material one side and we will talk about this watch. So as you can see, for looking wise, very creative look. It's showing here is sensing area, 4 LED sensor same like Apple Watch, and here is magnetic charging connectors. So you can easily put your charging connector here to charge this smartwatch. This is the button for on off and zoom in zoom out, and here is mic because this watch also support Bluetooth calling. So if you are using this smartwatch as a calling, so here also mic available in this watch. And here as you can see speaker, so here speaker also available, and we will check later its sound quality also. And this strap also look like very good quality. It's a TPU material which is thermoplastic, so it's also looking good quality. As you can see, it's a very comfortable, so easy to wear this one. First we on this watch, further we will discuss about its specification and features also. So as you can see, our smartwatch is on, and now it's showing us a main menu. In main menu you can tap for 3 seconds. After you can change different faces, smartwatch faces. As you can see, there is 7 smartwatch faces stored in this device. So like this way you can see the info of this device. You can see device name watch 6, and device address also it's showing. And furthermore, it's showing us battery level empty, because just now I received this watch, so I didn't charge this one, so it's battery empty. Here showing QR code for download application. For application download, you can download from Play Store as well and iOS store as well. Direct you can scan this barcode, so easily you can get its application also. So here you can see there is two type of theme in this watch. Which one you like, you can adjust that theme. We will go to its menu. Now I select this theme showing me in rows all logos. So like this way you can explore all function of this device. If you want to change theme of this device, so you need to just go upside and change theme. After you will get like a bubble theme, this one called bubble theme. And this theme you can zoom in and zoom out also. You can see like this way you can zoom in and zoom out. Now I zoom in. So there's lot of function available in this watch. So I like this 9 app theme, I will select that one. Then we will explore one by one. There is lot of premium function available in this cheap watch. You know this smartwatch price, its price just $30 to $35. In $30 to $35 you are getting a premium function and also very classy look. You can see very impressive look this watch. So let's start. We will start explore its function. So this is our main screen. In main screen you can set any face which one you can like, and you can add more faces through application. After that you will get theme. If you like bubble theme, you can select that bubble theme, and if you like normal theme, so you can select also that one. In bubble theme you can see this interface look like this one. So in normal theme its interface look like this one. So same like your mobile interface in normal theme. So we will explore all function one by one. So start from beginning. This is first function for sleeping. Second function for heart rate monitor. When you click here, this heart rate sensor activated and it will show you heartbeat. I cannot say about this sensor accuracy because this one new watch I still didn't use this one. After 1 month I can check is sensor accurate or not. After that sports exercise function in this watch. After that history function. After that body temperature sensor. When you go to this temperature sensor, it will start taking your body temperature. So like this way it will measure your body temperature as well. So let's explore more. It's a blood pressure sensor. Now I press blood pressure icon, so there is sensor activated and it is start measuring blood pressure. This one alarm function, this one calendar, this one music. You can also control music when you connected with your mobile device. There is lot of function available in this cheap price smartwatch. And also there is camera function. Camera function means this watch not take itself photos, it will just click your mobile photos. So you need to connect with the application. After that you can take your mobile photos from this smartwatch as well. After that alarm setting. After that calculator, and say here is setting, in setting Bluetooth setting, clock setting, notification setting, sound setting, volume, display brightness. You can adjust, you can increase or decrease display brightness as well. There is contact, it will show you also contact information, calling information. You can use it for call, because as I told you this one a Bluetooth calling watch. So like this way when you connect you can call with this watch as well. I will show you its calling function after connect with its app. There is lot of function in this cheap price watch like a premium watch. Let's change theme. If we change theme, so if we change theme our menu look like this. We can zoom in and zoom out through this button as well. For using this button you can zoom in and zoom out also its icons. You can see how much zoom you need. You can adjust through this watch. After zoom in, its menu look like that, bubble menu. So which function you want to go, you can select that one from here. So this is the look of this watch, guys. I will show you how it's look like after wearing in your hand. So guys, it's look like this after wearing in your hand. I wear its strap is very comfortable and soft, so it will not hurt you. Very easy to wear also because it's a magnetic type straps, so it will good fit in your hand as well. If you like other strap, so you can use other one as well. I will show you that strap after installation also. So for strap change, you just need to push this one and it will come out like this way. You can change the strap of this smartwatch. After just push, it will go inside the watch. So you can see I change strap also. So which one you like, you can tell me in comment which strap you like much better, this one or that one. So very easy to change strap also. So let's talk about specification of this smartwatch. It's a 2.5 dimension IPS display. You can see its resolution also very good. It's a 1.75 inch display with 320 to 385 resolution, screen resolution. Its resolution also very good because it's more than 300. So more than 300, it's mean good resolution. So 320 by 385 its screen resolution with 1.75 IPS HD display and full touch display. This display is also full touch display. This strap coming in two length, 40 mm and 44 mm. This is 44 mm straps. I order in 44 mm. So if you like a small strap, so you can also order 40 mm strap as well. There is also a scroll button for zoom in, zoom out and change faces also. You can see you can change faces also with this scroll button. Which one you like, you can adjust that one. And also for menu, if you are using bubble menu, you can zoom in and zoom out function with the help of this button. So this is also the feature of this smartwatch. Support Bluetooth calling because here mic and speaker both available, so you can use as a Bluetooth calling also. Body temperature test, heart rate, blood pressure, ECG, all you can test with this one smartwatch. So it's a IPS certified. It's mean it's a waterproof watch, so no need to worry about if water going through this watch. So this is the main feature of this watch. Let's talk about its specification. Its case is a zinc alloy material which is pretty good, so it will not easy broken. So if it will fall down also, it will not broken easily. Its strap also 44 mm as I told you, and changeable strap, so easy you can change this strap also. There is magnetic charger connector available for charge this smartwatch. It's using Bluetooth 4.0 version, which is normal in today's market. Nowadays almost everywhere using 4.0 in smartwatches. And its battery capacity is 230 mAh lithium battery, which will give you almost 20 to 25 days backup. So it's also good battery backup for they are providing in this smartwatch. And it support multi languages like English, German, Spanish, Italy, French, Portugal, Brazilian, Russian, Indonesian, Malaysian, Arabic, Persian, Thai, Turkish, Japanese, Korean. Too many languages support in this watch also, so no need to worry about language as well. This is the main specification of this device. We already talk about its features, its specification, its main function. I also show you its main function as well. So now we will charge this smartwatch. How to charge I will show you. For charging, just you need to bring this magnetic connector here. If you bring opposite direction, it will not catch this area because it's a opposite pole. When it's a right direction, it will easily catch that charging area. After you will use your mobile charger or any charger for charge this device. I will show you. So you can see charger connected, so it's showing also me charging as well. You can see here, you can see device getting charged. So like this way, easy to charge also this device. You just need to bring this magnet charging clamp near to device and it will catch the charging surface. So like this way you can charge your device also. Let's connect with application and we will check the function of this application as well. So guys, you can see I already connect this smartwatch with my Bluetooth. So let's check its sound quality. So I play music. So this is the sound quality of this smartwatch. Now let's move forward to its application. This application is Active. So I'm showing you now this application. For connect this smartwatch, you need to go devices. After devices, you need to add device. I will click here, add device. It's showing me watch 6. So when I connect on this watch 6, so it will start pairing. So you can see already connected this device very easily. Connected this device. After you can manage your you can see all your ECG, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleeping, monitor blood pressure, activity, temperature, everything you can get on your mobile application. Also you can manage notification. You can see there is all notification: Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Skype, Telegram, every notification which you want in your this smartwatch, you can on that in setting. So there is find watch function also available in this application. If you keep somewhere your smartwatch and you don't know where you keep this one, so you just click on find device button. So your smartwatch will start ringing and vibrating. So after you acknowledge this one, it will stop. So like this way you can find your smartwatch. So this is the application of this smartwatch. So guys, how you rate this video? Tell me in comment how much you like, how you rate out of 10 for this smartwatch. Tell me in comment. This product link in description if you want to buy. So go in description, there is Amazon link and Aliexpress, both link available, so you can buy through any link. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.